Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, and I'm incredibly excited to share a topic that's completely revolutionizing how we create art: AI image generators. Now, you've probably heard of Midjourney. It's amazing, right? But are you aware of the incredible range of alternatives that are out there? Some are paid, some are free, and many are packed with unique features. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of AI image generation. And trust me, this is a landscape that's changing faster than you can say neural network. We will explore some leading models from the powerhouses like Midjourney and DALL-E 3, across open source options like Stable Diffusion to some surprisingly capable free tools. We'll compare their strengths and weaknesses, look at image quality, ease of use, and pricing. We'll also consider the ethics of AI-generated art. Prepare to have your mind blown, because the possibilities with these tools are absolutely limitless, and it's exciting to see where this technology will go in the years to come. Get ready because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's go. Let's start with the big one, Midjourney. It's arguably the most famous AI image generator right now, and for good reason. This platform generates incredibly detailed and artistic images directly in Discord. I mean, you can get results that are good enough to win art competitions. That's just incredible. It's renowned for its dreamlike aesthetic, painterly textures, and almost eerie but sublime quality. It's intuitive, even if you're not used to dealing with Discord. You punch in a text prompt using a simple command and bam, you get 4 variations in seconds. From there you can upscale, add variations, even remix existing images. It's seriously impressive. The only downside? To get beyond the free initial trial, you need to subscribe. But for access to such high-quality outputs, many people feel that the cost is totally worth it. Think about the possibilities. Creating stunning artwork, Midjourney opens up some creative opportunities that just weren't possible a few years ago. Think of the possibilities for your artistic style. Imagine the creative possibilities. Imagine the time saved. This really is game-changing. Now, while Midjourney is a clear leader, it's not the only game in town. In fact, the AI image generation market is exploding with amazing alternatives. Many offer similar quality and features, some with different strengths. Let's explore some of the top contenders. First up is Stable Diffusion. This one is big because it's open source. That means anyone can access and modify the code, leading to continuous innovation and a vast array of user-created models. You can run it on your own computer to increase your privacy or use online versions. It's hugely versatile and can create incredibly detailed images, photorealistic ones, as well as striking artistic renderings. Although its attempts at photorealism are good, it's still a few steps behind Midjourney in terms of quality and capability. Then there's DALL-E 3 from OpenAI. We've been following OpenAI for a while because they're the creators of ChatGPT. This is a top-tier tool that is now available to use with ChatGPT Plus. It's known for its superior natural language processing. It understands the nuance of your prompt better than many other competitors. Then it creates hyper-realistic images and even gives you variations to play with. So there you have a very powerful tool that can create really accurate pictures that follow your prompts closely. Again, not free, but a well-regarded option for serious users who might already use ChatGPT Plus anyway. One thing we've all noticed about these tools, however, while they are getting better, there's still some scope for improvement when it comes to the detail and accuracy of humans in the generated images. But what if subscription fees aren't your thing? Don't worry, there are some excellent free AI image generators available that are genuinely impressive. And this is one of the best things about the technology. It's rapidly increasing in accessibility, even beyond the paid models. First, let's talk about Crayon. Previously known as DALL-E Mini, this one's a fun, no-frills option. It's incredibly easy to use. You just type in a prompt and get 9 variations, although the quality isn't quite at the same level as the paid options. There are options to upscale or improve the quality of results, but again, that'll cost you. Still, it's a good first stepping stone. Or, if you're a Microsoft fan, check out their Bing Image Creator, which is now integrated into Microsoft Designer and can even be accessed directly from Copilot. It uses DALL-E 3, so the images are crisp and fairly accurate, although you also don't get high levels of customization. The output is good enough to use as a base work, though, before making any post-processing. It lets you create a limited number of images absolutely for free, and it is a quick option to try out. Now, if you're more into custom models and fine-tuning, Leonardo AI is another worth considering, although it's more suitable for advanced users. You can generate up to 150 images per day for free before you hit the paywall. It's particularly good for developing video game assets or character designs. Again, These options may not give you seamless functionality, and the artistic quality may not always match your expectations, but there's a lot to be said for them being totally free. Now, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, the ethical implications surrounding AI-generated art. These models are trained on massive datasets of existing images, often scraping content from the internet without explicit consent or compensation to original artists. This raises some serious questions about originality, copyright, and the very definition of art. Many artists are concerned that their own styles, textures, and unique features are being used without their permission and subsequently replicated by the AI, diluting their own unique style and artistic voice. It's a complex issue, and there's definitely no easy answers right now. Some platforms are trying to address this by including filters to prevent the recreation of copyrighted imagery. Others are investing in technology to ensure that artists are compensated for the use of their works. But it's an ongoing debate that requires ongoing attention and action. As creators and users, we have a responsibility to understand these issues so we can use AI tools responsibly and support artists fairly. This means thinking about where the data comes from and how it's being used. Despite this debate, the potential applications of AI image generators are mind-blowing and only continuing to develop. Think about all the possibilities: creating personalized greeting cards or invitations, generating marketing materials, designing unique products, conceptualizing video games, and illustrations for books. These AI tools are currently already being used in the creative industries, from advertising, media, video game design, and beyond. Even in less creative fields, these tools are currently being used and will only become more important in the future, creating training materials, generating quick visuals for presentations, even improving accessibility for visually impaired people. What's on the horizon? The future is all about 3D, video generators, and further ease of access. There are various text-to-video technology emerging, as well as 3D object image generators. We will see developments in AI's ability to process complex 3D models and environments. Improvements to prompt engineering and overall accuracy are, of course, always welcome, but the move beyond 2D is a step that's poised to unlock a whole new world of possibilities. We're talking about interactive environments, virtual worlds, and entirely new forms of storytelling. The potential is, literally, unlimited. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the best AI image generators of 2025. We've explored the top contenders, both paid and free, delving into their strengths and weaknesses, and highlighting the ethical considerations that are so important in this space. Whether you're a seasoned artist, a business owner, or just someone who loves to experiment with new technology, I trust you've now got a more accurate insight and a better understanding of how to choose the right tool to unleash your creativity. From the realistic detail of Midjourney, through the accessibility of free platforms like Crayon and Bing Image Creator, the fine-tuning capabilities of Stable Diffusion, and the sheer power of DALL-E 3, there are fantastic options for every level of skill and every type of budget. The possibilities are vast. I encourage you to experiment, delve into the fascinating world of prompt engineering, and explore the awesome possibilities of AI-generated imagery. Remember, though, to use AI responsibly and be mindful of the ethical considerations involved. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these AI image generators. Which one's your favorite? What kind of art have you been making? And finally, what creative use have you developed or are intending to develop using this groundbreaking technology? I'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more insightful content on artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.